Assalamu alaikum, Ifra. Thank you so much for joining the
Alaikum
session.
salam. Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure to have you on the session. Whenever there is someone in the session जो recently move हुआ होता है, तो I have a lot of things to ask because जब आप move होते हैं, it's not only about moving outside Pakistan. It's about every country come up with their own challenges and everything like
Yeah.
that. And more or less, you're from the same field. You have done your graduation from IVS, then worked for a couple of years in Pakistan, and now, mashallah, you are in Canada for your masters. So we'll be discussing a lot of things in this session. Just for the audience, I would be happy if you can introduce yourself. How's life? How's everything? And then we'll start the session.
Okay. So, hi, my name is Ifras Mani. I have a bit of a cold, so my voice is a little hoarse. Just be patient with me. So, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in communication design from IVS.
Okay.
And then I went on to work for the preceding 4 years. And then now, after a very big gap, I am studying again, which I was not at all like thinking of right now. But then suddenly the opportunity came, and I was like, yeah, why not? So that's how I'm
Perfect,
here.
perfect. I think it's look good because sometimes people usually realize कि नहीं यार हर चीज planned out होनी चाहिए या हर चीज तरीके से होनी चाहिए. But it's good if you're getting an opportunity, you should ace it. ठीक है. Look, so we'll start the conversation from the very basics. So whenever anyone in Pakistan say कि यार I'm a graduate or I'm working or I'm studying in IVS, people do have a different mindset. Okay, fine, यार ये तो IVS में he must be or he or she must be very privileged. ठीक है, या चीजें बड़ी आसान है. So let's discuss about. So you spend your 4 years of graduation. Um, yes, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. It's one of the very finest art school in Pakistan, specifically in Karachi. I wanted to know what was your thought process because you in your time frame you enroll yourself in 2017 and somewhat graduated in 2020. तो आपने अपना थोड़ा सा end का part जो कि बहुत crucial होता है वो कोरोना टाइम फेज में गुजारा होगा. And when we are dealing with degree some such as like यार वो communication design हो and if you're investing a lot of money and a lot of time on yourself, ठीक है, तो आप चाहते हो कि हर चीज accurate में 100% पूरी करो and then this corona happened और there are few fields like कम्युनिकेशन डिजाइन हो गया. अगर आप आईवीएस में पढ़ो, अगर आप एनसीए में पढ़ो तो बहुत थ्योरेटिकल वर्क है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आप घर पे बैठो आपने क्लासेस ली एंड यू जस्ट डूइंग द ड्यूरिंग द थ्योरेटिकल वर्क. ऐसा नहीं, आपको प्रैक्टिकली बहुत सारी चीजें करनी होती है. तो आई वांटेड टू नो व्हाट वाज योर thought process when you think in a year I wanted to go in IVS, I wanted to do in communication design, because स्टिल पाकिस्तान में अगर मैं 2020 जब आप ग्रेजुएट हुए तब की बात करूं तब भी बहुत थिन लाइन थी जहाँ पे आपको बताना पड़ता था कि हाउ आई एम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ नॉर्मल ग्राफिक डिजाइनर एंड how do I work different way. So what was your thought process when you thought कि नहीं यार I 2017 I wanted to do my graduation IVS. क्यों लिया IVS? How was the overall experience? What do you think is the biggest change in an art school or a university who is giving you a media science degree?
Okay. So, honestly, I don't know how I ended up at IVS because my dad was set on sending me to Dow for medical, and he had already planned my entire life. He's like, "You're going to be a dentist. You're gonna have. I'm gonna set up a small dentist office for you, and you're gonna, make money from that." He had planned everything out, but my
Just
brother.
just for my understanding and just for the audience, your dad is a doctor. No.
No, my dad's not a
Okay.
doctor.
Sure.
He also wanted to be one, and then he became a
Okay.
pharmacist, and now he has his own business. So his life was also a whole other story. But yeah, so but then my brother, he was the one who actually saw the creative side of me,
Mhm.
and I come from a very like middle class, very traditional family. We don't really have people who are like this in this field, or I
Mhm.
don't know anyone in my family, at least extended, who studied media sciences, right? So and for the longest time till I graduated, my whenever someone would ask my mom, what's your daughter studying, she'd be like, oh, media sciences or something. and she wouldn't know that I'm studying communication design and what it is. So till date, I think they just say media science. So I don't know what happened, but I realized while studying for my MCATs that it was just not for me. As much as I wanted to help people, but that wasn't how I was supposed to help people. I realized that after giving my MCAT exams, and I was having this conversation with my brother, and one of his best friends were graduating from IVS during that time from the communication department, and he's been like a family friend for a long time, and now he's like a very good photographer. Zeral bhai, he's like amazing. So he doesn't know this, but he had like a little influence in where I am now. So my brother then just went and he signed up for me. He stood in line, he got all the paperwork done, and he just told me, okay, I've like enrolled you right now, you're gonna have to give a test. And I
Mm,
was like, really? I don't know what to give. So I asked people what is like the test like. I would ask some alumni, some of my friends, like seniors from my A levels, O levels, were there.
mm,
So just through that, I somehow prepared and I got in. Again, sometimes God has everything planned out for you and you just don't know, and you have to just hang in for the ride. So that's how I got into IVS. And like you're saying, yes, there is like a lot of privilege of being in IVS, but I would like to tell people that it's not only people who are coming from very influential backgrounds or people who have money that aren't necessarily in IVS, because I was there on a financial loan, which I paid off after years of working. That's how I paid it off. And they have a very nice thing going with the student loan. It has no interest and everything. So they're also helping, like, IVS helps children who are really into creating and want to be in IVS. They help them out. So it's that was a really good thing for me. I realized after getting myself somehow through university that I could do things on my own, because I am the youngest and I have two older brothers. So I'm like, I have been coddled a lot of my life. So it was something that I did for myself for the very first time, and I realized that I could do stuff. So after graduating, I again, God had something for me, I guess, and I didn't know how to apply. I was burnt out. My thesis, like you said, it was during COVID time, and that was unexpected as well, because everything suddenly our classes were online. People were in meetings but all at the same time cooking, so you could hear clanking and cooking and like family members shouting, and it was a weird experience. Nobody had experienced it ever. So but somehow our professors got us through. We had, and the funny part that you're saying, it was a unique experience, but that's how I got my first job. Usually we would have our thesis display physically at our university,
mm,
but this was the first time due to COVID that we had a whole website for displaying our thesis. So, and that's how I found out later on through my HR that I got my first job, because they had seen that project. So even though I hadn't applied, I hadn't reached out to anyone, but they saw my work over there. So sometimes God has things planned and it happens for you. But after a few years, I realized you have to like put in the work. So after graduating, I started working at security.ai, which was an amazing company. Really like the work over there, all the systems that are already created, amazing designers I worked with. And it was a really like a learning curve for me initially, but then once you get the hang of it, it's something that you realize, okay, what's more? If you're a creative, you want to ask what's more. And with AI coming in, I realize that everything feels monotonous. Like, use Midjourney, make an image, put it in this template, because we already have everything done. Like, we have templates, we've already like cycling out stuff. It's just new information in like a better way. So for me, it was really crucial for me to understand how am I standing apart as a designer. Right now, I'm honestly at that point, I was like any other person. Anyone could do my job. I truly believe that. So for me to understand how my where my creativity comes in and how I have to use it along with this new disruption through I had to understand what it is and how I can use it in order to set myself apart. So I found out about TMU, Toronto Metropolitan University. It was formerly known as Ryerson, through a friend of mine who was also doing his master's here, and he raved about how like transdisciplinary it was, and I really saw how they were focusing on AI and how they're using it in order to make actually like substantial things, and it's a basically assistant. It's gonna help you in making things better and faster, which might not be the best thing. Sometimes you have to take your time, but it helps with the
But
flow.
I think it's the main thing in 2025. If people are still thinking that AI is gonna change something, no, AI already changed everything. Now you need to realize how you need to upscale yourself and how you need to integrate AI into your life. Okay, let's get back to the things. I really appreciate the way when you say कि it's not always in the same direction. अगर आप so in for you, it's more likely a very normal kind of a thing. कि you wanted to do something, God has something planned, and then you did your graduation. More or less, Corona happened. लोगों को बहुत मसला हुआ. You got your screening over on website. NHR saw this. It's looked like a very cliche and very romantic story. Okay, fine, this everything happened. But what I personally believe that more or less it's your effort, but you don't realize until or unless it happened. And
Yeah.
for me, what I personally believe, yes, universities are doing a lot of things, teachers are doing a lot of effort, but then you need to realize it's a very thin line understanding I'm just doing it just for the sake of doing it. Because for example, what I think is every person is different for everyone. Like for example, you are the third you are the third child, so you know that just in case if I fuck up anything, I have my brothers who can handle it out, and then you know that thing. But then you need to realize if you are someone older and you need to take responsibilities of your family, then you need to be like upfront and then doing things on your own. But then it's all started when I personally believe whenever you're doing your degree, you need to somewhat try to learn every day because I'm pretty much sure security, yes, it's no doubt on it that companies do see your degree and your name of your institute, but at the same time, you are a graphic designer. You are not something that leading a project. So they want someone who is much more serious to understand at least what they want them to do. Okay, fine. So I wanted to know like so before security AI, you have done like small internship in BBDO and then Kareem as well. Okay. I wanted to know now you are in the industry for almost like I think for 4.5 years now. In the like
Yeah.
2000, yeah, four and a half,
Yeah,
four and a
okay.
half. Okay, fine. So now you know that what is a graphic design. You know what you're doing. You know what you wanted to do. How your life will be like. If आज की इफ्रा 5 साल पहले वाली इफ्रा को ठीक है the one who is doing graduation from IBS, what should be your key pointers that you wanted to tell people that please focus on these things unless आप वो करना चाहते थे या नहीं करना चाहते थे. It's a very debatable thing because I personally believe once you get into the university, be yourself on a very right mindset. Now you are in a university, you need to complete this degree. You're gonna take 3.5 CGP or 2 CGP, you're gonna graduate it in that field. So, what should be 4 or 5 key pointers from your end? A person who wants you to do something else and doing something else, what are the key 4 or 5 things that they need to be done? Like checklist should be done on that. कि यार ये चीजें तो करनी ही करनी है लाजम. Portfolio होना चाहिए, अपने ऊपर काम करना है, रीच आउट कैसे करना है, नेटवर्किंग कैसे करनी है, क्या 4 5 चीज आपको लगता है यूनिवर्सिटी में इन चीजों पे काम करनी चाहिए आपको?
Okay. So, I think if I were to give myself like a younger version of myself advice, it would be um, to experiment more. Because being in a when you're studying, you're paying that university to learn certain things. Be as experimental as you can be, like with all your assignments. Try to explore. Maybe it's not right. Again, like you said, you can graduate with a 2 point something GPA and you can graduate with a 4 point something. You will graduate, but it's the disruption, it's the experimentation that sets you apart. I think I didn't do that as much because I'm a very perfectionist. Like I need things to look a certain way and when they're stuck in my head. But over the years I've started to realize with certain processes that the first idea, second idea, fifth idea, it's not good. The sixth idea is the idea that's gonna really, it's gonna hit it out of the park. So you I would one advice that I would tell people who are studying is to experiment because it's a safer space. Make mistakes, there you have nothing to lose. For one thing that I think universities don't teach students is how to network. Again, it's crucial because people really we're so fixated on studying and theories and principles, but we aren't as eloquent in how to explain it to people. A lot of times when you're sitting with clients, if you can't break it down in simpler terms, the client won't understand why you're making certain decisions. So you also need to understand how to talk to people. It's a very, very crucial. If someone has that, they know how to talk to people, they're gonna succeed. I think, even if they have, sorry, even if they lack in certain other skills, knowing how to talk to people, building connections, getting through to people is something that universities don't teach you, but people should know. Another thing I would advice that I would give myself would be to put myself more out, like out there, because I'm very shy when it comes to social media. I realize I don't really put out my work as much as I would like to. Um, be proud of all the things that you're creating, even if it's like the smallest thing. People are you don't start with like 1,000 followers. You don't start with people reaching out to you on the very first project that you're putting out. Keep churning things out. Keep investing in yourself. You're investing in your work. When you're working, put it out there. What's the harm? Teach people. Like if you're learning a small thing on Photoshop, you've learned it, you're redoing it, you're kind of practicing it, make a video out of it, put it out there. You don't know how people will reach you, right? Make multiple avenues so that people know you're there. How will people know? Specifically, I would tell people who are looking for jobs, also expanding their creative circle. You need to put yourself out there. So that would be my advice to myself. And even now, I would say I don't do that as much.
I think you have a point because so I have like different mindset behind
Okay.
this thing. Like for example, if we talk about universities are not teaching this thing. So let's go back to like 10-15 years back. Universities never Universities are not responsible for those things. Because for example, if you see they need to focus you to make your basics very good. Rest of the things can be created afterwards. So for example, if you graduated and you don't know about color theory, this is the main issue that university is not teaching you. As far as networking, I personally believe in university there are two type of people. Number one, who are exposed to the world. They know that this university is just a bubble. Then we get out to the university, and then there are real people, and they are not that good that like our universities teachers and our professors. Number one. Number second, there are two different people. There are people who bound themselves into those 40, 50 students. They're bound to some bound themselves in those CGPAs and then numbers. I personally believe networking is a skill because, for example, if I teach you something, if I teach you about networking, I'll teach you how I do networking. Networking is something that is inbuilt in everyone. Maybe just like for example, when you make anything in the first try, maybe you think it's not good. Second will be better, third will be better, fourth will be better. There are people who want to showcase the final product. There are people who want to showcase the overall history behind it. There are people. So everyone is different. What I personally believe, start asking question to people whether they like it or not, because what I personally believe, you are not here to take applause from everyone. Like for example, if there are 100 people, and there will be chances like 50% of the people don't like you and 50% of the people do like you, then stop wasting your time into those people who don't like you and make them
Yeah, for
like you.
sure.
Focus on the people who can be give you more opportunities. So I think before networking, people should start understanding of asking the right question to the right people. So, for example, what I see is a lot of time, when people go in a university, they don't even go through their perspective prospectus. Like, for example, which teacher is teaching us what, and if the person is teaching us this thing, are matlab, he or she is capable enough, or he has some sort of an experience behind it. Because networking is like this, maybe there is a time where you are learning something from someone, and the next day you will be working together, or maybe after a year they are like working for you, so it's like that. Perfectly fine. Okay, you work for almost like 3.5 years in the industry. Okay, I'm pretty much sure Security is a very good company. You are working as a graphic designer, IVS grad. As far as your understanding, you are like the third child, so ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है कि मुझे काम करके पैसे कमाने हैं और ऐसा भी कुछ था, ठीक है. But it's all good. After 3-4 years, why do you think, at what time you realize कि नहीं यार, let's do masters? Because what I personally believe, once you start earning money, you see the final picture. एंड यू नो, ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है कि मैं मास्टर्स करूंगी तो कल को मुझे 2 लाख की जगह 10 लाख की नौकरी लग जाएगी. बट देन यू नीड टू रियलाइज कि व्हाट इज द राइट थिंग टू डू. तो 4 साल बाद ही क्यों लगा आपको, नंबर वन, मास्टर्स करना चाहिए. नंबर सेकंड, व्हाई डू यू थिंक कैनेडा वाज द राइट चॉइस? बिकॉज जब मैं मास्टर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, एंड whenever we are discussing getting a graduation, moving outside Pakistan, it's not only about what do you want to do, it's also about the understanding of visa situation, which is good, where can I travel, what should be the right way. And it's not only about just getting an admission. You need to realize, okay, fine, if the course is 1.5 years or 2 years, I need to see my accommodation, what sort of number that I'm looking for. As you said, it's not like you don't born with a, not everyone born with a golden spoon. But then you need to realize, okay, so why do you pick Canada for that? Third,
Okay.
third thing is you're from IVS. Now the mentality of layman person is like, यार इसने तो IVS से पढ़ा है, ओ यार मजे होंगे. How an IVS student feel like when they're studying in Canada? Because over there, आप IVS से पढ़ो या आप NC से पढ़ो, आप तब भी लीस्ट पे ही हो. Because over there, people from different countries and they all have different creative freedom. और जो कर रहे होते हैं, because I have a lot of friends who are doing masters, who just done their masters, and they were like, and they are from LUMS, IBA, IVS, और वो कहते हैं कि यार हम जब पहले दिन क्लास में जाते हैं, हमें ऐसा लगता है हमें कुछ आता ही नहीं. And people like this, like they are like 100 times better than us. How's the overall experience?
Okay. Quite a packed question, like
Yeah, one by
multi-layered.
one by one, you can
But
you can
I'll break
answer.
it down as much as I can. So, I understand my privilege, like I really do. That I have two older brothers. I have like a safety net, as you would say. But thankfully, my parents raised me as like just like my brothers. So my brothers left the country very early on. So one of them lives in Dubai, one lives in Turkey. So I was here with my parents for majority of like until I turned 29. I was with them, and I was also contributing to the household in the best of ways that I could. I did, and I realized, and I was again. I've after finishing my O levels, A levels, I have not taken money from my family.
Mhm.
Again, it's something that I do appreciate myself for. That because just sustaining yourself is difficult. I don't know how people sustain families. It kudos to them, but it's hard. It's hard to not only survive in anywhere, right? So for me, I understood. I don't understand the IVS mentality or the kind of privilege that comes with the being an IVS alumni, because I've never felt that.
You are,
Maybe
because
again
you are
because of
like, so
privilege.
this is how it works. For example, in Pakistan,
Yeah.
so they're like top five universities, and you can name
Yes.
it like IVS, IBA, um, NCA. These are the very top of the line.
Yeah.
So until or unless, the main reason of me asking you guys is to tell people, okay, fine, I am Ifra, I am an IVS graduate, and I'm a normal person. I think like you, I do everything like
I
you are.
really am.
So
That's what I'm trying to
yeah,
say. I
that is,
really
yeah.
am a normal
So
person.
for example, I know because I have a lot of friends who are studying in IVS, graduated from IVS, teaching in IVS. So I know a
Oh,
lot of things. So
yeah.
this is the important thing, is to understand IVS is not a very different thing. But then you need to realize, yes, an art school is very different. एंड द वे इट वर्क्स, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आप पैसे डाल रहे होते हो या आप अपना एफर्ट डाल रहे होते हो, तो उसके हिसाब से वो आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रिविलेज देता है, नंबर वन। नंबर सेकंड, द एलुमनाई इज वर्किंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे। सो ये
Mm.
इट्स नॉट लाइक ए मेरे सिक्स सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट को मेरे फोर्थ सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट के बारे में नहीं पता। ओवर इन आईवीएस एवरीवन नोज अबाउट एवरीथिंग, लाइक दिस इज अ फोर्थ ईयर स्टूडेंट, थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज आप एयरली इनटेक ले रहे हो। ठीक है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट यूनिवर्सिटी जो हर 3 महीने में बच्चों का इंटेक ले रहा है। ठीक है, जब आप एयरली इंटेक ले रहे हो तो मोर और लेस आपको पता है कि हर साल ये 100 बच्चा है, तो आपके पास टाइम है उन 100 बच्चों को याद करने का। अब अगर मैं बोलूं कि आप आईवीएस में हर 3 महीने बाद एडमिशन लोगे, तो आप भी ट्रैक ऑफ छोड़ दोगे। सही है। अच्छा, दूसरी
Yeah.
चीज ये होती है कि एलुमनाई जब जाते हैं तो एलुमनाई फोकस करते हैं कि ठीक है, अब हमें रिसोर्स चाहिए, तो हमारे जो जूनियर्स थे वो ऊपर किस तरीके से आएंगे। ठीक है, एंड आई एम टोटली फाइन। आई वेन एवर आई टॉक टू माई फ्रेंड्स हु आर फ्रॉम आईवीएस और ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम आईवीएस, वो कहते हैं हमें नहीं पता। तो मैं उनको ये कहता हूँ कि आप उस साइड पर हो। ठीक है, अब जो बंदा उस साइड पे नहीं है उसको ऐसा लगता है। ठीक है,
Yeah.
आई एग्री ऑन द पॉइंट कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी कंपनी के पास अगर आईवीएस का ग्रेजुएट की रेज्यूमे हो और किसी और बंदे की रेज्यूमे हो XYZ यूनिवर्सिटी,
Yeah.
ही और शी विल प्रेफर आईवीएस।
Okay.
एंड
So
वाई एंड
on
वाई
that,
एंड वाई एंड वाई,
yeah.
जब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज वो ये नहीं सोचेगा कि वो आईवीएस उसको काम अच्छा आता है। वो ये जरूर सोचेगा कि इसके पास थॉट प्रोसेस शायद बेहतर होगा, इसके पास अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेहतर होगी, इसने 2 साल एकेडमिक ईयर में वो चीजें करी हैं, इसने उन चैलेंजेस को देखा है। सो दिस इज अ डिफरेंट माइंडसेट। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आईवीएस इज गुड और डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटी इज बैड, बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड जो ग्रेजुएट भी नहीं है एंड दे आर अर्निंग मच
Mm.
मोर देन पीपल हु आर ग्रेजुएटेड। ठीक है, बिकॉज नॉट एवरीवन, बिकॉज आफ्टर अ व्हाइल, अब आपको 5 साल हो गए, 2 साल बाद इट डजेंट मैटर कि आप कहाँ से पढ़ा है आपने।
Mm.
ठीक है, बट देन यू नीड टू रियलाइज कि कुछ प्रिविलेज होते हैं, बट उस प्रिविलेज में ये नहीं है कि आप उस लोगों उसको रेजोनेट करने लग जाओ। ठीक है, अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको रियलिटी पता है कि कनाडा की क्या है। एज ए
Mm.
लेमैन तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा ना कि मजे हैं। इतने मजे नहीं होते, क्योंकि दिस इज बिकॉज जब तक आप उस जगह पे नहीं जाते, व्हाट आई सी, द मेन रीजन ऑफ स्टार्टिंग ऑल दिस गपशप इज mentorship, and taking a right mentorship is different. So for
Mm.
example, अभी आपने शुरू में ये बात बोली थी कि आपके डैड डॉक्टर नहीं है। ठीक है, लेकिन वो चाहते थे कि जो वो करना चाहते थे उनकी बेटी वो करे। ठीक है, लेकिन हर किसी की लाइफ सेम नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, नहीं बन पाते। बट सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन भी तो है ना, कि आपका एम कैट में समझ में आ गया कि यार, अगर मैं बन भी जाऊंगी तो मैं इतनी कोई अच्छी नहीं बनूंगी।
बिल्कुल।
और मसला ये है कि वो है भी डॉक्टर, अगर मैं कुछ खराब करूंगी तो किसी बंदे का कुछ ना कुछ खराब होगा। ठीक है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं डिजाइनर हूँ, आज डिजाइन ही खराब होगा ना, उससे क्या, ये पोस्टर तो बट दैट इज दैट इज द मेन आइडिया। अच्छा, अब मुझे एक और बात बताओ कि सही है, आपने 3-4 साल काम कर, सही है, इस चीज को भी हम डिबेट को साइड में रखते हैं, बट आपको क्यों लगा कि मुझे कनाडा जाना चाहिए? ठीक है, ऑल दो आपने मुझे बताया कि आपके दोस्त थे वो वहां पढ़ रहे थे, बट एक ड्यू डिलिजेंस होती है। जब आप 3 साल एक जगह पे काम कर रहे होते हैं ना, आपको पता होता है कि यार ठीक है, मैं हर महीने इतने पैसे कमा रही हूँ, सब चीजें सही चल रही हैं, मैं
Hmm.
1-2 साल में मेरी प्रमोशन हो जाएगी, सही है। वाई डू यू थिंक पिकिंग योर मास्टर्स वॉज द राइट डिसीजन? और रियलिटी बताओ कि अच्छा तो सबको लग रहा होता है, बट क्या प्रॉब्लम्स भी आती हैं जिनको आपने फेस करा, जाने से पहले, जाने के बाद?
Okay. So I had already left my job at security before even thinking about anything else, because it was a time where I just knew that there's no way up. You're just at a stagnant point. So I left that job after a while. um Before like I get into the Canada part, I want to just like bring up the IVS thing one more time. And that was because the people I met at security, right? My lead, she was a KSA, Karachi School of Arts,
यस।
right? She's a graduate from there. Amazing work, amazing work. I'd never I At even Kareem, I had a senior of mine who was studying from, I'm not sure, but I think KSA. At least my lead was.
Any of your bosses from Indus Valley?
No, not my boss, but like another
Yeah, so
design team,
that
like
that is
product design.
that is one of the things. Like when you go into the market, then you need to realize. But for now, पिकिंग ऑप्शन ऑप्शन की बात की जाए ना, अगर आप जैसा भी कह रहे
Hmm.
हो ना, मैं इसके लिए कह रहा था कि अगर मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है तो मैं फिर देखूंगा।
Hmm.
ऑप्शन नहीं है तो मैं तो अच्छे ही पिक करूंगा ना कि यार आईवीएस का स्टूडेंट है तो
But
अच्छा है।
that would be when both of their work is at exactly the same
एग्री,
level.
एग्री।
Yeah, because then I would get the whole understanding that there's an edge with the name.
ओके।
But if my work is like subpar, and someone who's from maybe not IVS, KSA, or whatever, I don't know the hierarchy, but wherever they're coming from, or even if they've not studied communication design or design in general, their work is substantial, right? They will always be set apart. Your
एग्री,
work does speak.
एग्री, बट द
But
पॉइंट इज एक
I do
जर्नल,
understand when
जर्नल
it's.
फॉर, हाँ देखो, जर्नल फॉर्मूला, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू टेक इट एज अ जर्नल फॉर्मूला, every every person know our school is much more into arts rather than a media science. Number one. Number second, it's not about, like, for example, in your case, your brother has a friend who is working, who is studied from IVS. If I give you an option कि आप आईवीएस से पढ़ोगे, आप किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ोगे, तो पहले तो अगर आप भी चूज करोगे तो आप अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी को चूज करोगे कि चांसेस हैं,
I mean, yeah, I
प्रोबेबिलिटी।
think everyone wants the best, and if
एग्जैक्टली,
that is
एग्जैक्टली,
what it's labeled
एग्जैक्टली,
as,
या
that it's the
एग्जैक्टली।
best.
आई
Yeah.
पर्सनली बिलीव लोगों को ये समझना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज बेस्ट फॉर मी। ठीक है,
Hmm.
आई एम नॉट एन आईवीएस ग्रेड, ठीक है, आई हैव अ
Hmm.
लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम आईवीएस, वर्किंग इन आईवीएस एंड टीचिंग इन आईवीएस। ठीक है, मैंने आईवीएस के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ काम करा है, मेरे अंडर आईवीएस के स्टूडेंट ने काम करा है, मेरे बॉसेस आईवीएस के स्टूडेंट्स रह चुके हैं, तो मुझे सब पता है। अब मैं इसको
Hmm.
देख के ये समझा कि भाई आपको ये रियलाइज करना चाहिए कि मैं जहां पर हूं वो मेरे लिए अच्छा है।
Hmm.
ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा, बहुत सारे लोग ना इसी डर के अंदर रहते हैं कि यार मैं ग्रो कैसे करूंगा। ठीक है,
Yeah.
आप कनाडा में हैं, मैं यूएई में हूँ, मेरे आधे दोस्त यूके में है, यूएस में है, सिंगापुर में है। ठीक है, आप हम सब एक जैसे लोग हैं, हम सब वैसे ही पढ़ते हैं, हम सब वैसे ही ग्रेजुएट हुए। आई एम प्रीटी मच जो आपके साथ 40 बच्चे एक साथ थीसिस दिया होगा, सबने उतनी मेहनत करी होगी, बट
Yeah, of
हर किसी
course.
का सेम तरीके से अप्लाई नहीं होता। ठीक है,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
हो सकता है कि किसी को आज मौका मिला, किसी को 6 महीने बाद मिलेगा, बट अपने आप को सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन फेज में रखना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर मैं अपने
Hmm.
आप को इसी तरीके से, आई गिव आईवीएस का टेस्ट इन 2015। ठीक है, मुझे जाना था आईवीएस, मैंने आईवीएस का टेस्ट दिया, एंड ऑन 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 अ लाइव वीडियो मैं बता सकता हूँ, उस टाइम पे 1,60,000 वाज द फीस फॉर अ सेमेस्टर। आई एम प्रीटी मश्योर, अब तो शायद 240 के ऊपर जा चुकी होगी शायद। ठीक है,
Yeah.
बट उस टाइम पे सिंपल फॉर्मूला, मैंने टेस्ट दिया, मैं सिलेक्ट हुआ, तो मुझे ये तो पता था कि आई एम केपेबल इनफ।
Hmm.
देन आई इवेल्युएट कि ठीक है, 1,60,000 आई कांट वन गिव 1,60,000, तो आई
Hmm.
पिक अनदर यूनिवर्सिटी। तो मुझे कोई अफसोस नहीं है। बट
Yeah.
डोंट जज जो पीपल हु थिंक यार नहीं आप प्रिविलेज है। अगर आपको लगता है कि आप भी इतने टैलेंटेड थे तो टेस्ट देने में तो कोई मसला नहीं, आप टेस्ट दो, लेकिन आप
Yeah.
इस चीज में ना कोई आप किसी को ये ना करे कि कल कल अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप फेमस हो जाओ ना, तो आपको कोई ये ना बोले कि यार ये तो लड़की है
Hmm.
या ये तो आईवीएस से। दिस मेंटालिटी नीड्स टू गो। दिस इज व्हाई आई से यार, जब तक वो लोग खुद नहीं बताएंगे कि भाई हम नॉर्मल लोग हैं, सही है।
Hmm.
तो दिस इज द थिंग। ओके, सो सिक्योरिटी वाज डूइंग वेरी गुड, ठीक है। एंड बिफोर यू मूव टू कनाडा आपने बोला कि एट एट अ पॉइंट आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, दिस इज द टाइम जहां पे मेरी लर्निंग रुक गई है, अब मैं इसके ऊपर जा नहीं सकती। तो एट व्हाट टाइम यू रियलाइज कि अब तो आप जॉब नहीं कर रहे थे, तो व्हाई डू यू मूव टूवर्ड्स कनाडा rather than doing to another job?
Okay. So if I am being like honest, um, I was applying to, I would say, like 100 or more jobs in that month or two, and I have an Excel sheet to prove it, and I have a method where you can like actually see how many interviews I got, like three or four out of the hundreds that I applied to. The job market is bad, and it's only gonna be a little, it's gonna get worse until it gets better, but right now it's bad. And even in Canada there's a recession, so it's hard. It's a risk I took on myself and my abilities. um to Does everyone get that chance? No. I realized that I had worked hard for 4 years. I had saved enough money. I had enough things saved up that I could liquidate in order to come here. I took a leap of faith. I initially did think of moving to the UK. There was another university there that I was but interested in, but I didn't go because of the political situation. You have to do your research. You have to understand how, know yourself. I'm a Muslim woman. I come from Pakistan. I have a green passport. What are my limitations? And there are a lot. So I didn't know what if I could even have a whole year in UK, um, seeing how things were. And for me, the best choice was Canada, because of the university. Again, like you said, the alumni of this university as well, they're amazing. If you reach out to someone for anything, they will, just because obviously you have a connecting point, which is TMU, they will be more likely to help you. And that's just life. Like if I right now talk to anyone who has been on your podcast previously, we'll have a connecting point. We'll be like, oh
Agree.
yeah, you.
Agree.
So those connecting points help you. And I realized that this was my one shot, and I'm giving myself this 1 year. um, in the 2 months that I've been here, it hasn't been easy, obviously, because you've lived at home. You never thought about how to maintain a home, maintain your finances, bills, and all of that. But I'm doing that while also understanding the market over here. So I reached out to multiple people, and one of I actually had a conversation with an alumni who's a politician,
Mhm.
and I talked to her about everything.
Who's a
Um,
the alumni is from like IVS alumni or the university?
TMU.
Okay.
So she is one of the board members as well, but she was previously a politician as well. So in my conversation with her, I tried to understand how I can break into the market. That was my main question. For her, that's what she said, and with the main advice that she gave me was to that connections are currency. Connections that you build with people are currency right now. We're in a recession. The amount of people you meet, the amount of people that you build an actual connection with, they will help you. So if I were to and over here, connections are important. Networking connections are what get you the slight edge over other people. So if my work, again, like we said, if my work is at the same level as someone else who's applying for the same job, but I know someone who I've had maybe like I've met at a pottery class, or I've talked to at a like a coffee shop or something, and I've made a connection with them, and later on I've built on that connection. That will give me a more edge over whoever else is applying. After, and that is me saying, after applying to more than like 200 jobs in that few months that I was not working at security, and I was not doing anything, and I was just focusing on that, because cold emailing, LinkedIn, all of that, it doesn't work anymore. There's something you need more. Either you pitch yourself, and by pitching yourself you have different platforms that you pitch yourself through, or you build connections with people who you can show your work to. Again, it's the amount of people you're showing yourself and your work to that'll help you in securing places in different spaces, I
First,
would say, at least.
first of all, thank you so much for sharing the point that uh, being an IBS grad, जब आप security, you left security and you were searching for different jobs, you need to realize it's not the same for every year and for everyone. Number one,
Of course.
because it's not only about, like, in Pakistan, what I personally believe, people usually have a fuck up debates about like governmental issues and this and that. No, you need to realize giving an interview while you're on a job and giving an interview while you don't have a job, it's very different. And then
Very
you
different.
need to realize, like, for example, maintaining Excel sheet after being in the industry for almost like 7.5 years. I personally believe there are few things that people should always go through with. Number one, हर इंसान को ले ऑफ मिलना चाहिए एक मर्तबा। अल्लाह ना करे, वैसे मैं कभी की दुआ नहीं करता, लेकिन जब आपको ले ऑफ मिलता है ना, तो आपको रियलाइज होता है कि यार, ओके, मैं क्या क्या कर रहा था, एक झटके में आपको पता चलता है। इट्स लाइक
Mhm.
जब आप एकदम से रोड पे जा रहे हो तो और एक कब्रिस्तान आता है, तो आपको 2 सेकंड के लिए रियलाइज होता है कि मैं मर भी सकता हूँ। ठीक
Yeah,
है,
of
सो ले
course.
ऑफ इज लाइक दैट, नंबर वन। नंबर सेकंड, you know your worth when you are at your lowest. ठीक
Of
है, सो फॉर
course.
एग्जाम्पल, what people think is कि ओके यार, मेरी जॉब लग गई है, नाउ आई नीड टू फोकस ऑन माई जॉब, एंड दे स्टॉप डूइंग और मार्केटिंग देम देयर सेल्फ। ठीक है, और जो आपकी अभी आपने बात कही थी कि दिस कनेक्शन इज करेंसी, बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिसेशन नहीं होता, आपको बस पता नहीं होता। फॉर अभी आप कनाडा में, कि देर देर विल बी मिलियन ऑफ जॉब्स, पाकिस्तान में हजारों जॉब्स होंगी, यूएई में लाखों जॉब्स होंगी। So this is the same formula. People reach out to me and they were like, यार, we wanted to move to UAE। मैंने कहा गुड, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आगे प्रोसेस क्या है? किसी को वही तो नहीं आएगी कि इफरा नाम की बंदी हैं, वो दुबई आ रही हैं, उनको जॉब चाहिए।
Yeah.
नंबर वन। नंबर सेकंड, connection building, what people think is connection building is like just meeting and saying hi or hello. So for example, what I personally believe, कि if we are talking, ठीक है, maybe you don't need my services and maybe I don't need your services for now. But we if we talk and if we somewhat have an idea कि okay यार, हम ये चीजें करते हैं, and you working on your personal branding, I'm working on my personal branding, तो हफ्ते डेढ़ हफ्ते में मैं आपकी कोई ना कोई चीज देख रहा हूँ, हफ्ते डेढ़ हफ्ते में आप मेरी कोई ना कोई चीज देख रही हैं। 6 महीने बाद आई रियलाइज कि आई नीड अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर इन कैनेडा फॉर अ क्लाइंट। टॉप ऑफ द माइंड मेरा रहना चाहिए आपका नाम। So this is what I personally believe networking is all about. Networking is
Yeah.
directly like a billboard. You put
Mhm.
your billboard as big as you want, as for as long time, ताकि everyone can see that. One way or another, maybe आपको आज जरूरत नहीं, आपको कल जरूरत हो। And it's not only about like personal branding को अगर मैं थोड़ा सा पहले करूँ, I'm not sure कि you are from that phase of life or not। क्या पहले लोग कहते थे यार, पर्ची लगा के आपको जॉब मिलती है।
Yeah.
पर्ची पर्ची लगा के जॉब मिलने का जो प्यूरिफाई वर्जन है, दैट इज कनेक्शन बिल्डिंग।
Yeah.
बट एट द
Yeah.
सेम, मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पर्ची को अगर मैं एग्जाम्पल, जब मेरे पास ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग की ओपनिंग आती है, मैं आपको रेफर तभी करूंगा ना जब मुझे पता होगा कि मैं आपको रेफर कर सकता हूँ।
Hmm.
ठीक है, क्योंकि वन वे और अनदर वो अगर बैकलैश हुआ तो मेरी इज्जत भी तो खराब होगी।
Of course.
क्योंकि अगर कोई बंदा मुझे कहता है कि यार आप मुझे सीवी भेजें और मैं किसी की सीवी भेज रहा हूँ तो उसको पता है कि यार एक फिल्टर तो लगा हुआ है, क्यों मैर ने दी है या अगर इफरा किसी को दे रही है तो एक फिल्टर तो लगा हुआ है। सही है, तो यू नीड टू रियलाइज दैट, नंबर वन। नंबर सेकेंड, लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि यार हर चीज जो है ना वो आपके साथ बुरी हो रही है, ठीक है, और आप उसको सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, जॉब लग जाती है एंड दे स्टॉप मेकिंग देयर पोर्टफोलियो या बिल्डिंग देयर पोर्टफोलियो। अब जाहिर सी बात है आप एक टाइम आउट रहे हो मार्केट से, अब 4 साल बाद आपकी जॉब नहीं लगी, बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी मश्योर वो जो 2-3 महीने होंगे आपने सारे फॉर्मूले ट्राई करे होंगे।
Hmm.
ठीक है, फिर आपको दिमाग में ये नहीं आता कि यार, फिर आप आईवीएस को याद नहीं कर रहे होते, मतलब
Yeah.
फिर तब भी आप ये सोच सकते हैं, बट वन ऑफ वेरी बेसिक नॉर्मल वे you can think of it ना, यार आई एम एन आईवीएस ग्रेजुएट, आई एम अप्लाइंग फॉर 100 of places and I'm getting 4 interviews. This is not right. There should be
Yeah.
something that I'm doing wrong.
Yeah.
And then you need to realize like how market works. Maybe at that time market was not that good. Then you need to
Yeah.
realize which market, and also that you mentioned just now, you think कि यार आपका लीप ऑफ फेथ था कि मुझे कनाडा जाना चाहिए तो आप गए, बट देन यू
Hmm.
नीड टू रियलाइज अगर वो फकअप होता है, वो बैकलैश करता है, तो इट्स योर कॉल, इट्स नॉट समवन एल्स
Okay.
कॉल। ठीक है,
Yeah.
ओके, यू मूव टू कनाडा, ऑल गुड टू गो, यूनिवर्सिटी इज वेरी गुड, इट्स बीन 2 months, ठीक है, लेट्स टॉक सम रियलिटी चेक्स। ठीक है, पाकिस्तान इज अ वेरी मेल डोमिनेंट सोसाइटी, ठीक है, एंड इफ यू आर अ गर्ल, पीपल यूजली, योर फैमिली यूजली कवर्ड यू इन लाइक, ठीक है यार आप जहाँ जाओगे, कहाँ जा रहे हो, ये सारी चीज तो आपके पास कवर्ड होता है, यू लाइक लाइक 2-3 बैकअप तो होते हैं, अब्बा हैं, भाई हैं, कोई कजन है, अगर आपके हस्बैंड हैं या अगर आपके कोई फियोन्से या कोई रिलेशन, तो आपको पता होता है कि मेरे पास बैकअप्स हैं, अगर
Hmm.
मैं कोई चीज कराना चाहूँ या मेरे लिए कोई चीज करने वाले तो ये लोग हैं। यू मूव टू कनाडा या यू मूव टू अनदर कंट्री एंड देन डू फर्स्ट डे यू रियलाइज कि मेरा बैग उठा के भी कोई नहीं रखेगा, आई नीड टू डू
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग। गिव
Yeah.
मी रियलिटी चेक्स कि जो लोगों को, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में मेंटालिटी इज लाइक लेट्स मूव आउटसाइड पाकिस्तान, व्हाट आई बिलीव, लैंड होना इज द इजिएस्ट थिंग।
No, for sure.
जब आप पहली मरतबा यूनिवर्सिटी, जब आप बैठे होते हैं और आपको पता चलता है कि सुबह में यूनिवर्सिटी जाना है, तो आप जब पहली मरतबा गूगल मैप खोलते हो आपको पता चलता है ये वाली बस यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगी, फिर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ चलूंगी, क्योंकि ओवर देयर एवरीथिंग इज मैथ्स। ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बोला बाबा गाड़ी निकालने, गाड़ी ड्राइवर ने निकाली, उन्होंने आपको छोड़ा, दिस इज नॉट हार्ड वर्क। व्हाट्स योर वर्स्ट सिनेरियोज इन दिस 2 months, आपको क्या लगता है लोगों को कौन सी ऐसी 5-6 चीजें हैं जिनके ऊपर थोड़ा काम करना चाहिए, रिसर्च करनी चाहिए, ताकि उनको, मैं ये तो नहीं कहूंगा कि उनके साथ कभी कोई मिसहैप होगा नहीं, क्योंकि मिसहैप
Hmm.
ऑल्सो टीचेस यू अ लॉट, बट अगर चीजें पता हो तो आपके साथ कम मिसहैप्स होंगे।
Hmm. So, just like general life advice, you would say, um, I
आप
would,
लाइफ एडवाइस दे दें, लड़कियों को कोई एडवाइस दे दें, बिकॉज व्हाट आई पर्सनली बिलीव
yeah,
कि मुझे ना
no,
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब व्हेन आई रीच आउट टू यू वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, और या व्हेन आई रीच आउट टू एनी गर्ल हु इज डूइंग समथिंग वेरी गुड आउटसाइड पाकिस्तान, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट दैट इजी। ठीक है,
yeah.
यू नीड टू रियलाइज फर्स्ट, इमोशनली आपको बहुत स्टेबल होना पड़ता है। ठीक है, देयर विल बी टाइम जहां आपको वो लगता है कि यार इतना भी कोई बेहतर नहीं हो रहा मेरे साथ, लेट्स गो बैक टू पाकिस्तान once again, नंबर
Oh,
वन।
I had that realization last night. I had a
this
breakdown
this
last
is
night where I
this
was
is
like,
like,
this
so
is,
I have a golden formula whenever anyone moves outside Pakistan, I was like, so there will be 3 phases. First, I don't give a fuck to Pakistan phase, वो गुजर चुका होगा आपका, देन यू नीड टू रियलाइज यार नहीं यार पाकिस्तान वापस चलते हैं, एंड देन देयर इज रियलाइजेशन फेज। अभी आप रियलाइजेशन फेज में आ गए होगे कि नहीं, नाउ आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट, because you can't be emotionally weak or put or physically weak, because you need to do multiple things. And in outside Pakistan it's not like कि आज मेरा दिल नहीं चाह रहा तो मैं काम नहीं करूंगी, you need to wake up at certain time, do certain things. Any tips and tricks, anything जो अभी आपने देखा हो, कोई एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहो?
I think women now are more aware and they are trying to, because one again, even in Pakistan, I would say that people can't survive, a family can't survive on just one income, right? So mostly women are now starting to work as well, which I do appreciate. And I realized while I was working that a lot of women around me are not only just taking care of themselves, they're taking care of their parents, they have their own dependents. um, when I came here, I realized that actually when I was at the Karachi airport, I looked at my mom. As I was heading into the gate, I turned around and I saw her and I cried and I came back. I was like, "Am I making a mistake?" And she's like, "Nahi, chao, karo." And my mom is like a strong individual. She's always been that person that जो दिल चाहे करो करो, मतलब रुको नहीं, किसी भी पॉइंट पे ना अपने आप को लिमिट नहीं करो. So for me, that voice, when I have doubts, that voice is like so loud, and sometimes it comes with a slap that I'm scared and
You need someone that tell you what is right. That don't tell you कि
I
आपको क्या
think
सुनना है.
everyone knows what's right for them. It's just that एक doubt की आवाज आती है, और उस doubt की आवाज में ना sometimes it gets really loud. So you do need at least one person who believes in you. And I'm very grateful that I have multiple people who believe in me and who push me when I feel like breaking down. They help me up. But it's not hard, it's not easy, it is hard, but it's not as hard as you think it would be. Sometimes as women we're so scared of making big decisions because it's unheard of. No one in my family has no woman has left her country alone and come to another country where she doesn't have family as per se. I have like my dad's brother lives in another very far, like 3 hours away. And I visited him once, and my aunt, my tai, she helped me, and she's like, did you find a place?" I was like, "Yeah, I found it because, like, on their websites, I Googled it, I did this." And she's like, for her, it was unfathomable because 10, 12 years ago when she came with her husband who had sorted everything out for her. So for her to now think that a single woman is coming into a new country, how is she going to do it? And obviously she has a connection with me, she's worried. But she knows that now I'm capable of doing it. Of course, like I've had when I was looking for rooms, I had scammers and I didn't realize, and I reached out to them and I was like, I would tell my friends or my brother and they'd be like, "This is a scam, you know this, right? Like if brothers don't go there." So you learn as you go. But you have to be very aware and also understand your capabilities in the best way and the worst way. You are capable of success, but you need to also understand how to get to that success. There should be steps. You need to understand, okay, I'm giving, I don't know if I'll be successful here. I can't guarantee that. But I'm giving this 1 year to myself where I will push as hard as I can, do as much as I can, listen to as many people as I can to do better in life. Even if I don't succeed here, I'm taking something away, and that will be good enough for me. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a little.
See, what I think is life is all about cycling. Okay?
Hmm.
So when you start cycling, you're gonna fall, you're gonna learn on your own pace. Number one. Number second, yes, life is different from every different perspective. Like for example, as you just said, according to your aunt, because she has a life where all what she do is just because what his husband is doing. So he's like worried about like how you gonna find this thing. Number one, this is also an experience. Number second, I personally believe right now the number of scams that I got into in the early stages when I moved to UAE, I'm like the मुझे मेरे साथ मुझसे ज्यादा कोई गया ही नहीं होगा उसमें. So if anyone is coming to UAE, I was like, reach out to me. I'll tell you कि क्या क्या हो सकता है. But then you need to realize this is also experiences. So something bad happen is not only about teaching you something. अगर कोई चीज कभी कभार आपको कुछ नहीं सिखाती तो तजुर्बा जरूर सिखाती है. तो ये
Oh, for sure.
this is the one thing. ठीक है. Second thing that I realized is when you move outside Pakistan, you somewhat need to make yourself. आपने देखा होगा कि जो भी लोग पाकिस्तान से बाहर रहते हैं उनकी बहुत ही रोबोटिक लाइफ होती है. दे आर डूइंग मल्टीपल थिंग्स. उस 8 बजे उठेंगे, ये करेंगे, फिर ये करेंगे, फिर ये करेंगे.
Yeah, they have
एंड
a
वन,
routine.
हाँ,
Yeah.
एंड वन वे और अनदर आपकी कुछ टाइम में हो जाएगी, अगर अभी तक नहीं है.
Mhm.
और अगर हो गई है तो आप उसमें हो, ठीक है. वो मजबूरी भी है और वो जरूरत भी है. सो फॉर
Mhm.
एग्जाम्पल, इट्स नॉट पाकिस्तान कि मैं 12 बजे उठने का दिल नहीं चाह रहा तो मैं 2 बजे उठूंगा. आपके लिए कोई वेट नहीं करता, नंबर वन. नंबर सेकंड, यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में क्या आता है कि यार आपको सिर्फ जाना है, काम करना है और वापस आना है. खाना बना हुआ मिलेगा, कपड़े धुले हुए मिलेंगे, कपड़े इस्त्री मिलेंगे. ओवर देयर टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स आपकी टॉप लेवल पे चली जाती है कि यार मैं 5 बजे निकलूंगी यूनिवर्सिटी से तो मैं 6 बजे घर पहुंचूंगी, मैं 6 से 7 खाना बनाऊंगी. खाना बनाते बनाते अगर मैं इस्त्री कर लूं तो मैं 1 घंटा सेव करूंगी. एंड आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर आप ये सब कर रहे हो अगले 2 महीने में.
Oh, for sure.
ये दो
Yeah.
महीने पहले किसी ने नहीं सुना होगा. मतलब व्हेन आई मूव टू यूएई आई रियलाइज कचरा फेंकना एक चीज होती है.
Yeah.
क्योंकि
And there's
मैंने
a method
मतलब
we start doing.
हाँ, मतलब मैंने 28 साल में ये चीज देखी नहीं थी कि देर आर 3 बैग्स, कि कौन से बैग
Yeah.
में क्या चीज जाती है ना. वो लाइक मेरे घर में भी तो होता होगा ना. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर आई कॉल माय मॉम एंड आई वाज लाइक ये होता है. बोलिए हाँ, ये तो जिंदगी में हमेशा से ऐसी होता था. मैं तो मुझे क्यों नहीं पता. बोला आपने कभी जिंदगी में करा ही नहीं था. देन आई नीड टू रियलाइज कि देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. सही है.
Yeah.
अच्छा, एक बड़ी अच्छी टिप मैंने सीखी है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर किसी को करना चाहिए. वेन एवर यू थिंक यार यू आर एट योर लोएस्ट, पाकिस्तान से बाहर जो भी लोग हैं, तो आप घर से बाहर निकलें, अपनी सबसे अच्छी जगह जाएं और वहां पे खैर जोर से सांस लें और रियलाइज करें कि 18 करोड़ पाकिस्तानी ये सांस लेने के लिए मर रहे हैं, तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा. It's a very good thing. Making yourself realize that you are in a privileged space give you that.
Oh, for sure.
ठीक है, क्योंकि
Um,
रियलिटी
there,
देना जरूरी है.
there have been days where I've woken up, and even right now, like I have a month off, so I had to weigh, can I go back home? Right now, both my brothers are home at my dad's place. I want to be there, but I can't afford it. That was the decision I had to make for myself in the future, because I need to come back here. I have limited amount of money. So हर चीज का finance आपको करना होता है, and you never did that before. But I woke up, and mostly I do this ever since I've gotten this place. I wake up and I realize at least I have a roof over my head and I have food in the fridge. That is more than most people. And I know that the things that I'm going to eat, what they are, it's not like something that anyone else is giving me. It's something that I don't have control. I have control over my life right now. Alhamdulillah for a lot of things that I have. And all the things that I don't have and I want to have, I will get them by working hard. And as long as you have that Alhamdulillah mentality while also wanting a better life for yourself, um, you will you will see that it does get better. It's not supposed to just, of course there's going to be moments where you're going to be stuck. You're going to feel like this is it, this is the lowest point and there's no going up from here. But as long as you keep fighting and as long as you keep working hard, you will. There's no reason. And I genuinely believe, like I believe in my religion very well, very strongly, where I know that whatever is in your naseeb, it will get to you in whatever form, in whatever way. But
Just be humble.
just be
This
humble
is
and work hard.
yeah, मतलब just be humble and do your work.
Yeah,
I don't tell anyone that work hard.
yeah. Okay.
So so hear me out. वर्क हार्ड से पैसा नहीं कमाया जाता, ठीक है. सो इफ यू सी, वो जो मजदूर होते हैं पाकिस्तान में जो पत्थर उठा के ऊपर
Hmm.
लेके जाते हैं, उनसे ज्यादा टफ काम कोई नहीं करता,
Yeah.
ठीक है. सो वी नीड टू रियलाइज, स्टे हम्बल, नंबर वन. नंबर सेकंड, आपको बस ये पता होना चाहिए कि आज अगर आप 0.01% पर हैं तो कल आपको 0.02% पे जाना है. पोटेंशियली
Okay.
इस तरीके से ग्रोथ होनी चाहिए हमारे यहाँ
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान में. अभी आप पाकिस्तान, अभी आप गए हो, जब से आप आए हो कनाडा,
नहीं.
जब आप जाएंगी ना तो आपको
Hmm.
रियलाइज होगा कि लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा कि आप ऐसे कनाडा में पैसे छापते हैं. और कनाडा का प्राइम
Yeah,
मिनिस्टर
yeah,
के
yeah,
बाद
already.
कनाडा के प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बाद आप आते हैं और आपकी लाइफ वहां चिल है, ठीक है।
Yeah.
बिकॉज बिकॉज देन पीपल यूजली थिंक यार, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हम जिस करेंसी में पैसा कमाते हैं हमारे यहाँ खर्चा ही नहीं, ठीक है।
Mm.
सो जस्ट स्टे हम्बल एंड फोकस ऑन योर ग्रोथ। आप जब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू करते हैं तो आप 10-15 साल में पहुंच जाते हैं, ठीक है। अभी अगर कोई बंदा नया नया आता है ना, क्योंकि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु यूजली केम टू यूएई एंड व्हेन वी मीट एंड दे वर लाइक वेरी हैप्पी। आई वाज लाइक पहला फेज है अभी, दूसरा आएगा, फिर तीसरा आएगा, फिर चौथा आएगा। दिस इज हाउ लाइफ इट इज। सो
Yes.
देयर आर मल्टीपल थिंग्स। सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ गुड पॉइंटर्स। Ifra, thank you so much for taking out your time,
No
sharing your
problem.
overall experiences about like, how to do things in a certain way. And I'm happy to you being a part of this. So just for the audience, if you wanted to reach out to Ifra, you can reach out to Ifra or on LinkedIn, write a proper message. I'm pretty much sure she will be there to help you. So Ifra, thank you so much for
Okay.
your time. It's my pleasure to have you on the session.